Ramogi winjo ka papos opedhi Mombasa kata kamano wateri nyaka Kakamega kama chenro mar Ikruok ne yiero mar gavana e kaunti ma Kakamega oseketi kendo oganda ikore ne yiero no ma ibago odiechieng' makiny.
Apisas mag IBC oyango ni gisechwalo gige ombulu kendo arita bende ni kare.
Achung' mar ODM Fernandez Baraza kod mano mar UDA Cleophas Malala duto menyo komno mar gavana.
Apisas mag arita kwe bende osingo ni arita ni kare Kakamega mangima motelo ne yiero no.
We have also dispatched the camps to the tallying centers. They are all being distributed together with the other materials. As we talk now, as we sit here, we are distributing the materials at all tallying centers, and the POs, the election officials, preparing to go to the polling stations.
We have improved in our security by adding more officers. All the polling stations have enough officers. We have gotten officers from our neighbor region. We have gotten special teams. I have also gotten officers from my other counties.